Did you learn how to, did you learn how to blow bubbles today? I think you did. Yeah? What else? You know how to make bubbles. You know how to make bubbles. Yes, you do. Oh, you gonna suck on your whole hand? Maybe. Yeah, did you get the whole thing? Did you get the whole thing in there? Are you trying to blow bubbles around your fingers? Oh, yes, you are. It works better if you get your fingers out. There you go. Oh, are you a tired boy? Are you a tired boy? Really? That's intensely cute.